Hello, welcome back guys. In this video tutorial, you can learn how to render your project in EEVEE or Solid. So we will work on this project. So press 0 for camera view. Now click on Viewport Render Image. Now as you can see, render is done. You can also save it from here. Now select the viewport shading rendered. Now go to render and render image. As you can see, it's done. Save it as we did earlier. For rendering the animation for solid viewport, you have to change output setting. Select your directory wherever you want it to save and change PNG to FFmpeg. Now click on encoding and change the output quality to high quality. Now click on view and select the viewport render animation, and it's done. Now go to render and click on render animation. So as you can see guys, this video is completed. Hope you learned something new, and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.